Hi friends, let's take a look at today's math lesson. We are on lesson 3.7 and now we are at count numbers to 10. So our objective for today is to count groups of numbers to 10. All right, let's listen to the solve and share.
Think of two numbers, one that is 1 less than 8 and another that is 1 more than 8. Write the two numbers you are thinking of. Show how you know you are correct.
All right, so they have the number 8 here. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to get some counters out, okay? And we're going to make 8 here. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so I have 8 here. Whoops, no, cancel. Now let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now say I want 1 less. 1 less means you're taking it away, right? So I'm going to, I wonder if I can erase it. I don't know. Let's erase 1. Ooh, there we go. So I erased 1 because it's 1 less. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what number is 1 less? 7. So I'm going to get my marker here and make a 7. Little line across the top, big line slides down. All right, so now we have to find out what number is 1 more. And that's the next number when you count. But if we couldn't figure that out on our own, what we could do is bring these back. We need to put 8 counters here again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to put another counter here. Let's go ahead. 8. Okay, so we have 8 right now, and it says, what is 1 more? So we're going to put 1 more. Now we have to count that. You ready to count with me? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so the next number that is 1 more is 9. So let's make a 9. Out your pencil. All right, little curve, up and down. All right, wonderful. How do we know we're right? Because when we count, it'll count. Just like when you're counting, you count by ones. So when you count, it'll make sense. 7, 8, 9. We know if we take 1 less, it's going to be 7. If we put 1 more than 8, it's going to be 9. All right, and we tested it with our counters, didn't we? Good job. All right, let's watch our video.
What numbers do you see? Let's say the numbers aloud. 0, 1, 2. Are the numbers in order? The numbers are in order because 2 is 1 more than 1, and 0 is 1 fewer than 1. What numbers do you see? Let's say the numbers aloud. 3, 4, 5. Are the numbers in order? The numbers are in order because 4 is 1 fewer than 5, and 3 is 1 fewer than 4. What number do you think comes after 5?
Do you know?
Let's find out. What numbers do you see? Let's say the numbers aloud. 6, 7, 8. do you know they are in order? Because 7 is 1 more than 6, and 8 is 1 more than 7. What numbers do you see? Let's say the numbers aloud.
9,
9,
10.
10. Are they in order?
What do you think?
Yes,
Mhm.
because 10 is 1 more than 9, and 9 is 1 fewer than 10. How can seeing one number help you say the number that comes next? Now you know the order of numbers through 10.
Good job, guys. Yep, all we're doing is putting our numbers in order. And it's just like counting. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, let's take a look at our guided practice. All right, they're helping us out a little bit because they not only started the numbers here, but they also given us some dots to represent our numbers. So let's take a look. First, let's count. 1. All right, we have 1, so we have to make the 1. Let's get out our pencil. Just a straight line down. Now let's count this one. 1, 2. All right, we're at number 2. And 2 is 1 more than 1. Now we added 1 more dot. Let's count how many. 1, 2, 3. So now we make a 3. Little curve, little curve. What's 1 more than 3? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's make a 4. Little line, big line down. All right, what is 1 more than 4? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's make a 5. Little line, little curve, little line across the top. Wonderful. And they are when we have them in order, and one's great, just one more, that's one greater. It's just like counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's take a look at our guided practice. So now they want us to do the same thing. Numbers are a little bit bigger now. So let's look. Here's the number 7. 1 less than 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're gonna, oh, I need to get my pencil out here. 6. All right, so we have 6. 1 more is 7. 1 more is what? Yeah, 8. But we can count this just to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's make an 8. Round, down, down, and up. All right, now it's getting a little bit tricky. They're not showing a number representation, so we have to figure out which number is the smallest, and that's the number we start with first. Let's think about it. So when I'm counting, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you see a 6? Yep, right there. There's a 6. So that's the smallest number first, because there was no 5 or 4, 3, 2, or 1. So I am going to make a 6 here. All right, what's 1 more than 6? You are right, 7. So we have 6, 7. What's 1 more than 7? You are right, 8. What's next? Count with me. 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. Down. So we know they're in order because it's just like how we count when it's just one greater. 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. So we have some sets of numbers here too. And we have to figure out which one's the smallest because we want to put the smallest first because then they get bigger by 1 every time. 1, there's no 1. There's no 2. There's no, there is a 3. There's a 3. That's the first number we need to put because that's the smallest. Little curve, little curve. Okay, so we have 3. What's next? When you count 4. 4 is 1 more than 3. Little line, big line down. So we have 3, 4. What's going to be next? What's 1 more? When you count 3, 4, 5. You are right. There's the 5. Little line, little curve, little line across. What's next? 3, 4, 5, 6. There's the 6. We need to put the 6 here. 6 is 1 greater than 5. You see how we did that? 3, 4, 5, 6. Each number is greater by 1. All right, let's go over here. This is your part. This is your independent practice. All right, so here you look at how many dots you have and you put that number. And then you can keep going. This is going to help you because 1 more than this number is 1. 1 more than 1 is going to be this number. If you need that help, count your dots. Here's the number 9. 1 more, what's that? If you need help, count the dots. What's 1 less than 9? If you need help, count the dots. Remember, when you say the numbers, they'll be just like counting by ones. So you'll know it's correct. Then take a look at number 7 here. You are going to look for the smallest number first, and that will go here. And after that, it's just 1 greater than that number, 1 greater than that number, 1 greater than that number. All right? Number 8 is a tricky one, but I think you can do it. There is, look at here, 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's only how many numbers here? 1, 2, 3. So we're missing a number that has to be in here, okay? So you got to figure it out. So put the smallest number here, which would be what? 6. You're right. Let me get this up here. Help you out a little bit. 6. And then you have to figure the rest ones. What's 1 more than 6? 1 more than that. 1 more than that. See if you can figure that out. When you're done, make sure you take a picture and send it to your teacher so we can see your fabulous work. Not only do we want to see your independent practice, I want to see this one, but we also want to see the other one that we already did together already. Okay, so make sure you show us both of those. We want to see both. All right, boys and girls, good luck, and you will do fabulous because you are great counters, and make sure you check your work. Have a great day.